So I'll be showing you a couple of things, and I'm not sure if there was any interest in a sneak peek for September, but I will give a sneak peek. Here is something I'm gonna say now, and I'll say it. I'll try to remember to say the same thing at the end of the live, in which it's gonna be a question I've seen on social media. Actually, not a question, more a comment. When I go and I describe brands that will be in the box, there were some of you who were concerned that those products will only be on the Boxy Luxe. Anything I ever explained or anything I said that will be in the box was in regard to the Boxycharm, not Boxy Luxe. So if it's Kat Von D or any cool brand, and they might be on the Luxe, but they will definitely coming in the main box. Okay, so no one's gonna miss out on those brands on the Boxycharm box. We focus solely on the Boxycharm. The Luxe is amazing, it's gonna give you an extra experience. However, we only gonna make better Boxycharm boxes in the future. I'm gonna ask you to give me to shoot some questions. If you'll ask me more about the Boxy Luxe, I promise I'll answer that. You probably don't need to ask unless it's really confusing, but I'll try to articulate again the process for the Boxy Luxe. Okay, when are we gonna sign up for the Boxy Luxe? I will reveal all the information of when and how around the middle of this month. We'll try to give you the information of what goes into the box during the next few weeks. I'm gonna start today with the first product that's gonna be in the Boxycharm box. Alright, it's the first live that I actually do a reveal, and I'm gonna go and show the reveal. That's gonna be on Boxycharm, but obviously also in Boxy Luxe. So remember, anything that goes into Boxycharm and it's gonna be on a sneak peek, it will also be on Boxy Luxe. Not anything that's gonna be in the Boxycharm box will be on the Boxy Luxe, but if we've sneak peeked it, it's gonna be in your box. So here it is, the Boxy Luxe. It would cost you an additional $28.99. If you have paid already a prepay, if you paid for a year and you have a couple more months to go, then you're only gonna see an additional payment of $28.99. If you're in the recording, $21 payment, or if you're in Canada, it's a bit of a different payment. Then that's what's gonna be. It's just gonna be an additional payment for that. I think for Canada and other places, there's a shipping cost that might be modified. It will be on the page when you subscribe, or it's already on it. But overall, it's at $28.99. And in return, what you'll receive is just a lot more value and more product. Okay, so it will be a pretty vulgar eyeshadow palette for the month of August. For September, everyone's gonna get it. I'm gonna turn it around so you can see it, and that is how it comes. You can find it in Sephora right now. I honestly don't remember the retail cost, but it's obviously more than the box itself. So you'll have the cool tone and the warm tone, and you'll be able to see it in Sephora, and that's gonna be your first sneak peek for the month of September. Everyone's gonna be receiving this palette. That is not going to be only on the Luxe box, it's gonna be on the box over here. That's what it's gonna look like, okay? On the Boxycharm. And it will also be on the Boxy Luxe. Okay? Cool? Now you get your first sneak peek. This is the first time I do sneak peek on a live on one